I'll zoom you in after I've... Oh, whoa, that's...
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
Today's video is going to be a review and demonstration of the new Kylie Cosmetics lip kit by Kylie Jenner in Exposed. I'm basically going to be doing some swatches, showing you how it applies and what the color looks like on my olive skin tone. Now, lipsticks with a more orange copper undertone, as I mentioned before, tends to look good on olive, yellow, tan, and medium skin tones, just because it blends in really well with our greenish, yellowish undertone. So I'm really excited about this product. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's basically in the shade 701 Exposed Matte. So it includes the lip liner as well as the lipstick, and it looks like a mixture of orange, beige, and brown tones. So it's also meant to be the new formula from their rebrand and relaunch collection, and it's meant to be vegan. So this is meant to be a 24-hour wear liquid lipstick, and it's also meant to be transfer proof, waterproof, and smudge proof. Okay, so I'll show you. So this is basically what the lip liner looks like. I think it used to be black before, but now it's pink. I think the pink looks really pretty. So, and that's what the liquid lipstick looks like. So Kylie Cosmetics only very recently became available in stores here in Australia. So they're now stocked at the Mecca stores, which I'm really happy about because I can be very impatient sometimes. Yeah, so I didn't want to order it online and then wait for it to arrive and stuff like that. I generally like to just walk into the store and get it. So I was really happy to just walk into the store down the road and then have the product straight away. All right, so let's do some swatches on my arm. I'll zoom you in after I've... Oh, whoa, that's super pigmented. Okay, I forgot how pigmented that was. So I was like kind of pushing it a little bit harder, but yeah, they're really pigmented. So that's what they look like. It's a beautiful orange color.
Sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm gliding through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's turn, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.
So moving on to my thoughts about it. So the lip liner is I can't talk today, I don't know why. I'm like constantly jumbling up my words. Okay, so let's move on straight into my thoughts about it. So the lip liner is extremely pigmented and creamy. It does not rub off easily, and it's also meant to be smudge proof, which I really like because those are basically the two things that I personally look for in a lip liner. That's basically that it's long lasting and that it's pigmented. And then the color, like I said, is like an orangey, browny, beigey type of nude, and actually quite close to my natural lip color. So I'm actually really liking this lip liner. It's very easy to apply. It's close to my natural color. It feels comfortable, and it's also a good base to have for other lipsticks to go on top of. So I'll definitely be buying more of these lip liners in the future, but in more colors. I probably tried the coconut and the caramel lip liners. They're meant to be like browns. Also, by the way, I had some lip balm on before the application as well, just for your information. When it comes to the liquid lipstick, it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be when I applied it on its own. I tried that a bit earlier today without the lip liner, but I generally like drawing lip liner all over my lips first anyway, so I'm going to be using it with the lip liner and then going over with a lipstick or liquid lipstick. So I do love how they look with both of the lipstick and the lip liner on together. It also feels a tiny bit dry and sticky, but I think that's normal with all liquid lipsticks anyway, so I can't complain about that. Yeah, and I also generally like wearing gloss over my lipsticks, so that doesn't bother me at all. And this is what both the colors look like together. But overall, I really like this lip kit, especially the lip liner. I really like the lip liner, so I would give it a 9 out of 10. And for the liquid lipstick, I'll probably give it a 7 out of 10. And the color is really nice as well. In my personal opinion, it does suit my olive skin tone, but let me know what you think in the comments if you disagree or agree. But yeah, that is the review for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.